Hey guys, today I'll be doing an unboxing from skewb.co.uk, and I already unboxed it, but you know what I mean. So one thing I got is a cube cover here, and I guess I just got it to cover cubes and to practice. I also got the Chi MS 2x2, which is like it's a magnetic 2x2, my first magnetic cube. It's really fast, and yeah, the magnets help a lot to keep it stable. Apparently it's a little bit bigger, but I don't really feel a difference. I might just check. This is the these are my two 2x2s. Then it's supposed to be still land at the bottom now. They look around the same size. Yes, maybe not sure. I think this one's slightly bigger, but yeah, I guess they're really similar sizes. It must just be Chi 2x2s that are bigger. What's happening? And then I also got wait a second guys, sorry. I also got the why do I keep saying that? The X-Men Ringy skewb. It's such an old skewb, but it's the only good one apart from the Moyu one. I can't really turn it or solve it. I guess it's there. This looks weird. This is how it's supposed to be. What? Oh, I'm confused. Oh. Huh? Oh, okay. Did not understand that. But yeah, I'm not skewb upset. And the one thing that I wanted the most, the main reason was the GAN 356M, which if you don't know, it's called the three is its name is because it's 3 meters tall. 1, 2, 3. And it's 56 because Felix Zemde, no, not Felix Zemde, it was, who was it again? It was Mintai. He was the first person to review it. And then, because, you know, he's sponsored by it. And he got 5.6 second average on the first try. So that's why they called it the GAN 356. And the GAN is just because it's made by Moyu. Yeah. And then it turns really well. I like the feel of it, even though it's a matte finish. Some people don't like that, but I don't mind it. And yeah, it is a bit it is magnetic, but you can't change the magnet strap. Also, it's quite fast, so I'm going to change the settings. And then here's the GPS it came with. There's 3 colors. Yeah, and then it also came with the GAN bag, which it has to come with. What I like about the GAN bag is you can just do this. Right, can you see here? It's really fun doing that. So I might just do a couple solves on the 2x2 and 3x3 and just say, and yeah. Oh, wrong 2x2. Yeah, wrong 2x2. That felt so weird, even though I just used it earlier today. I'm going to keep cover. Let's cover it. I do have 5 seconds for contact. Oh no, takeoff. Before takeoff. Bad soap, but I kind of messed up, I guess. 0.05. Not so bad time. Now for the excess, for context, I average 15. So yeah. It's so hot here. You can probably see my fan. I forgot to turn it on. I really love the feel of it. It's just a slow So if the view keeps changing, it's just that thing. It's just that this on a chair. It's one of those moving chairs. I don't know what that all was. But you can kick me if you want. Should have done double flip. Okay, 12, that's quite good. So I'm going to change it, I'm going to customize it. All the sayings on, choose which one I like, but I take with the GES. You can't change the magnets, but so that makes it easier. So you can see these are the magnets, but you can't change them. So yeah, I'm gonna, what is that EPAM? Does it have an EPAM? So yeah, I'm gonna think choose which one I like sayings after. Okay, so now I'm gonna review all the cubes I just unboxed, starting with the 3x3 to again 356M. So I use the purple sayings which are the weakest, so like it's quite, I think it's the weakest, I'm not sure. So it's not flexible at all, and it's not flexible compared to the other ones. It's quite stable, which I like, because the nuggets are, they feel quite weak. I'm not sure, maybe it's just my turning style, it feels weak. So also, as a result, corner cutting isn't that good, but I don't really mind. It's still quite good, it's just not the best. So here it can just do, here it can do hard. It's hard to do them. You can still do them here. Around here is it's easy. Not the easiest, but still easy. And also I use 0.6, so corner twists are quite hard in solves like this, and pops are quite hard. So pulling a piece out is quite hard, but you can still do it. And it never happens in solves. The last time it happened was when I changing the sayings, I forgot that you can't think. You have to put the springs of the saying and you can't. So I like this build, but I made it a bit faster with more UV2 lube. So yeah, just going to do this slow. It's hand scramble and it's really easy. Apart from last year, I was really messed up that so I got 933. I'm just getting actual top 10. Okay, it's 12 something. It says 13, but I missed time stop as you probably saw. So yeah, I guess it's quite good. I have a 10.6 with it, and I have a 39 single. Now for the 2x2. So this, I tensioned it, I broke it. It exploded. I fixed it and I made the tension like quite tight, but then lubed it to make it faster. So corner twists are quite hard, but I can still do it here. And then it looks like they're pulling internals, but it's probably just when you twist the corner. Yeah. And then don't try to twist this corner, because if you do, your cube's probably going to break unless you know how to fix it. To fix it, you just have to, for the edges inside, those white ones that have no color, these you just have to put them back in. That 2x2 is made by the main piece, and TM is this blue, red, white is the main piece, so don't twist it, otherwise you're going to have to fix it. Well, if you want to, you can, if you know how to fix it, but it's hard if you don't. And then I'm just going to do some sauce. Oh, this is really easy. Oh, 228, that could be in sub 3, sub 2, if I didn't do what I did. I did it from the wrong side. I messed up 4. That silver is not found. $2.59. That's a plus 2, kind of. I just didn't kind of at home, so yeah. But it would have been a $4.59, which was the world record. Now this, let me think about this yellow. No, I messed up. $2.23, did quite good. Now for skewb finally. I don't really care about it. I still do it for fun sometimes, and I have it 25, but I'm not that good at it. So I'm just gonna say one thing: if you twist a corner like this, make sure that you can assemble it, because it happened. I didn't know how to reassemble it because it popped. Now I can twist it without breaking. But the first time I forced it and it broke. So you should be able to assemble it. It isn't too hard after you learn it, but you have to watch a tutorial. And also, I'm gonna teach how to change the settings for the GAN 357 soon. So be prepared for that. Bye.